Hello. My name is Baraka, and I'm a software developer based on mobile apps development, website development. I'm also specialized in business intelligence as a developer, and also Microsoft products development like Power Apps developer and Microsoft Deploy, and also uh, I used to develop BPM softwares like Bonito. Uh, so today, my friends, I'll be showing you a little tricky on how dependent uh, selection box works. Like maybe you select a country and you want to get maybe the regions according to the country. Maybe you select a continent and you want to get the state or the country on that continent. So this is a tricky. Today I will show you how to do that. And this is the example of the task I was given with certain people. So I decided why should I do an illustration? Maybe someone there will help him. So this will be the final test. So you select a category. Let's say you say the computers, and you want to get the laptops, and just mean laptops. And when you say you want to maybe servers, and you get servers. So let's see how to do it. So the first thing in everything, because it's dynamic, you have to create the database, and the database for the categories, we just have the names. I put the date and also the unique ID, which is category ID, and also this category ID is related to this some other table. The table which has the unique ID with super category ID and the reference key category ID, the name, the date. So from there, let me see how we may fetch this data according to the reference main key. So uh, we will be using normal PHP and JavaScript a little bit, and also the Ajax to send data to the other PHP file. So we have this main category. We'll be promoting user to select the main category, and this will be fetching all the data from the database. We'll be displaying all the main categories, and we'll be echoing this value. So this part, let me show you. This part is also only for showing or displaying all the main categories, and we'll be echoing the values, the unique IDs, and the name. And also for the subcategories, we just put the select or the drop down with no data, because we'll be passing the data from the main categories on this. So all of this, the very important things, you should put the ID for the subcategory, and you should put also the ID for the main categories, because on change of this main category, we detect it and we pass the data to subcategory. How do we pass the data? We use this JavaScript, little JavaScript. We reference the main category ID. So on every change on the main category, we will get the value, and also we'll see if there is values, if it's true, and then we'll ask Ajax to post that category ID to this page, get subcategory ID, this one, and also on success we'll pass those data on that page to this second selection box. So let me show you how this page looks like. This page right here is simple page, just selecting the all subcategory This is a table for subcategories where category ID is equal to what you have been passing there. So what we have been passing here is this. We send this data with this value. So whatever we pass there, we get it. We check if it's not empty, we get it, and then we select. Then we populate the second selection box with this data. And then how do we populate it? It's here. This on success, we fill this with data passed from here. Yeah, that is how we conclude and uh, got this page. So whenever users select computers, we get subcategory of computers. If the user will select something, we get use of something. Later on, I will be explaining you guys on how I came across with all of this. But thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, and we get more videos on website development, mobile apps, power apps, and business intelligence, and also business processing tools like Bonita, Flows, and whatever. It's all about tech, it's all about development, it's all about automation, workflows. Microsoft workflow is the best thing now. I will be there will be more tutorials on Power Apps plus workflows, and also the business intelligence part for data analysis and the data insight. Looking forward for the comments. Whatever, anyone who will face a challenge can inbox me, can text me, can contact me. I'm here. I'm a young entrepreneur. I want to learn, and I want to help people. It's all about automation, guys. Let's automate our process. Thank you.